Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning about statements, expressions, and comparison operators. Here we go! So over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to learn today. After that the rules, and lastly the program. Today we'll be learning about statements, expressions, and comparison operators. Let's start with statements. A statement never returns a value and it can't print any result. A statement could be A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. These don't return a value, which is why it's a statement. Then expressions always return a value. It can print a result. And functions are also expressions because they return a value. An expression could be printing A is equal to B. This is a print statement which will return a value, and that's what makes it an expression. Then we have comparison operators to compare different values. So these are all the comparison operators. So all of these. Let's start with equal to. So we saw that over here. So A is equal to B basically means that checking if A is equal to B or if A is the same as B. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. So the answer should come as false when I run this. It's saying false because 1 is not equal to 2. Then if I change A to 2, then it's going to say true. But let's keep that for 1. Then we have exclamation mark equal to. So that basically means not equal to. So yeah, not equal to. So it's saying A is not equal to B, and that will come as true because 1 is not equal to 2. But then it will come as false if I change A to 2 again. So it says false because A is equal to B, and over here I'm saying that A is not equal to B. Then we have greater than. So greater than, so basically A is greater than B, that's false because, well, 1 is not bigger than 2. But then if I change A to 2, it's again going to say false because, well, 2 is equal to 2 and nothing's bigger or smaller. But if I change A to 3, then it's going to come as true. Then we have smaller than. So, yeah, smaller than. So A is smaller than B. And that will come as true because 1 is smaller than 2. Then if I change A to 2, so yeah, then it's saying false. So because like A is not smaller than B, but it's not bigger than B either, so it's like the same. After that we have smaller than equal to. So that's basically saying that is A smaller than or equal to B. So when I run this, it says true because A is not smaller than, but it's equal to B. But then if I say 3, for example, then it's saying false because 3 is not smaller than or equal to B, or 2. After that lastly we have greater than equal to. So yeah. So this will come as true because 3 is bigger than 2. It's not equal, but it's bigger. But then if I change 3 to 2, then it comes as true again because 2 is equal to 2. So the greater than did not come in handy, but the equal to did. So those are all the comparison operators. Sometimes you may need to write a statement which goes into multiple lines. Here are 2 ways that will always work. Bye for now.